Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, so I got to get out and go for a ride. And what a difference a week makes. Last weekend, I was not doing so well. I was sick, in bed. Damn, that is pretty. And I was waiting on some COVID test results. I had a fever. Aches, pains, chills, headache, runny nose, all the symptoms basically. I could still taste and smell just fine, and it came back negative. So I guess the flu is still a thing, unfortunately. It hit me hard. I'm still kind of getting over it. Still not 100%. It started last Thursday, so we're going on over a week. About 10 days right now. So that was not fun. I'm glad it wasn't COVID, obviously. Also because I've been vaccinated. So it would have sucked to have been a breakthrough case or to go ahead and get vaccinated and still get it, but it wasn't that. The testing was fun though. Normally all the tests I've done had to go to, they run it pretty well. It's, a well-oiled machine, like a Chick-fil-A drive-thru on a Saturday afternoon. I'm wondering what that was about. I'm gonna stay under the speed limit just in case. Anyway, so I go to this one testing because everything else is closed on Saturday. Maybe that's what that was about. I don't know if I go fishing or hunting or it's a weird place to park. Lots of other places to park nearby. Anyway, so all the other testing places nearby were closed. So I went to this one that's kind of out of the way in a weird part of town I don't normally go to. And I get there, instead of a line of cars, that you just move up in line and they test you, you pulled up into a parking spot, and then some dudes in a portable storage trailer, one of those pod things. They're just in there in some white coats, and as you pull up, they come out and they get your information, or they don't, they're working with somebody else. So I pull up, wait about 10 minutes, and this other car pulls up next to me, and there was a young person, couldn't be sure, gets out of the car on the other side from me and starts throwing up behind the car, like, oh man, there's a bunch of sick people here, that's not cool. And so felt bad for the kid. Looked like a young person, 11, 12, young teens maybe. And then a couple minutes later, dude in a white coat comes up to the car next to me with the sick person in it and gets their information, not realizing I had already been there for 10 minutes. Not a big deal, like, I'm sick, I'm not going anywhere, I got nothing else to do. But it's sort of like, hey, you're not paying attention. And then the dude starts hitting on the lady, who also is not feeling well. Like, hey, can I get your number, and what's your name? You look familiar, you're kind of pretty. I'm not trying to disrespect your daughter over there, but you're kind of pretty. You got a boyfriend, you got a husband. Is it serious? I'm like, dude. Not cool. You got sick people over here trying to get tested and go about their business. But ultimately, I guess if that guy's trying it that much, he's casting out that many lines, maybe he is getting a nibble every now and again. But it just wasn't what I wanted to listen to at that point. So finally he gets around to me, get my test done. He's like, wow, man, you look like you're from the 70s. I'm like, well, yeah, I was born in 77, so I guess I am. But I think he was talking about the hair and the beard and everything. So finally get all the tests done, get back home, and I had to wait 24 hours. So it was about a week ago now that realized, nope, COVID, just regular flu. But can't get regular flus or cold or anymore. Everybody's got to get tested to make sure it's not COVID, because if it is, then we got to do paperwork and contact tracing and all that good stuff. So finally I I was still not good for a couple more days. Finally got back, drug myself back to work on Wednesday, even though I wasn't feeling well. And still just about starting to come out of it. But anyway, one of the high points of all of that stuff, and just feeling really bad all week, was something incredible happened that I never would have dreamed about, you know, when I started this channel. I hit 500 subscribers. So this video is really just to thank you guys who have hit that subscribe button. On the same day or about the same time, also hit 100,000 views, which is also just more than I ever imagined. When I started this channel, it was really just I was up late one night because I couldn't figure out, there had to have been a way to take off this tent cover, and I knew there had to be a way, but I couldn't find it. And finally figured it out, posted a couple of pictures on the Triumph Trident USA Facebook group, and one guy said, hey, you should video it and put it on YouTube. I bet it'll get a lot of views. And so I'm like, hey, why not? If I couldn't find out a way to do it, there were no instructions on the internet, and I figured it out, maybe I could help other people. And so I decided to do that, and that just was so much fun, and it got a lot of attention, and a lot of likes, and a lot of people watched it. And I just kept doing it, and I didn't realize how much fun making videos was going to be, and that's the main reason I do it, is to have fun and to help people. So to know that there's 500 people that liked it enough and wanted to see more, to subscribe, and there's hundreds of thousands of people that have watched the videos. That's pretty humbling and exciting, and makes me want to just keep doing it. So really, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and keep watching, and I'll do my best to keep making more videos. Thank you.